In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Typeform in Card for free. By the end, you'll have your live Typeform showing right on your Card site without paying for any extra tools. Start by heading to the Typeform website and sign in. On the login page, choose Continue with Google for the fastest setup, then select the Google account you use for Typeform. If you prefer a different login method, that works too. Just make sure you're in the right account so you can access the form you want to embed. Once you're in your dashboard, open the Typeform you've already created. This takes you into the editor for that form. At the top, look for the Share section. This is where Typeform gives you all the ways to distribute your form, including links and embedding options. Inside Share, choose Embed in a web page. This option places the form directly on your card page so visitors can complete it without leaving your site. You'll see a few embed styles, like standard pop-up and slider. If you're not sure which to use, the standard embed is a safe choice and works well on most card layouts. Next, click View Code. Typeform will generate a small snippet of code specifically for your form. You don't have to edit anything here. Just review the preview to confirm it looks right, then click Copy. That copies the embed code to your clipboard and you're ready to add it to your site. Now switch over to your card editor. Open the page where you want the form to appear, add the Typeform widget, and paste the code you just copied into the field provided. Place it exactly where you want it in your layout. If your form looks a bit cramped or too tall, adjust the element's size or spacing in card so it fits nicely on the page. A simple tweak to width, padding, or section height usually does the trick. Before you finish, use Card's preview to confirm the form loads, scrolls, and submits correctly. If it doesn't appear, double check that you pasted the entire code snippet from Typeform and that you didn't accidentally remove any characters. Also ensure you're connected to the internet and not blocking third-party embeds. That's it. You logged into Typeform, grabbed the embed code from the Share panel, and pasted it into Card using the Typeform widget, all at no extra cost. Save your changes, and your embedded Typeform is ready for visitors.